Hello everyone, guys, it's Daniel here and Igor, of course from PaintAccess, and we are here at Metroville. Guys, as you know, Graco makes paint sprays and we have something very special, and Igor will tell us in a second what it actually the spray made for. Igor, what is the main purpose for this paint spray?
So this is a really great question. We're really excited to receive a lot of stock today, and this is one of them. So it's a really great finish Pro GX19. This spray is really actually perfect for really like nice, smooth and fine finishes for all sorts of woodwork, or if you want to paint any top coats which is oil-based or water-based, you can easily put it in this hopper. So yeah, this spray is really great for all sorts of things like that.
Great. As an addition, this paint spray comes with a 7.5 meter hose, which already flexible from a box. As you can see, very nice FTX gun, and packaged with a 210 FFLP.
Yeah, so 210 FFLP you can actually see right from this hopper. So the tip that comes here, it's kind of, as I mentioned, designed for really fine and smooth finishes. So this is the perfect one for woodwork and, you know, skirting boards, all of these small and subtle projects. Also, you can see that, you know, we can definitely have a strainer inside just to make sure that no other external and extra particles can go into the sprayer.
Great, and one more addition, GX19 packed with a quick replacing pump mechanism. It just here behind the sprayer. It just sits. So it's a very simple. Also, it's you can lubricate this paint spray as well. Yeah.
Features a pressure gauge and all sorts of different things. So the pressure gauge is on the other side.
It's on the other side.
This is the smaller one.
Yeah, we'll just demonstrate here.
So yeah, pretty much amazing tool. One of the most popular that we sell. We have really great feedback about it. Guys,
thank you. Shop online or come to Metroville.
Thank you.
Cheers, guys.